In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently log your calls in HubSpot, keeping your records accurate and up to date. This can be incredibly useful for maintaining communication records with your contacts, ensuring you never miss a beat. To begin, you need to head over to the HubSpot website. It's the starting point of our journey today, serving as the platform where all the magic will happen. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find the login button at the top right corner. It's pretty hard to miss. Clicking on this will bring you to the sign in page. Here, you simply need to put in your login credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. Think of this as your dashboard, your command center where you can manage and navigate all of your HubSpot activities. From this home screen, your next step is to locate and click on CRM. This is the Customer Relationship Management tool, which is an essential component for managing your interactions with current and potential clients. Next, from within the CRM section, you'll want to click on Contacts. This is where all of your stored contacts reside. You can consider this area as your digital Rolodex or address book, where every interaction with your contacts gets logged. Now you'll select a contact, choose any contact that you wish to log a call for. This could be someone you've recently been in touch with or have plans to call soon. Once you have chosen a contact, you will notice a 3-dot icon, usually located somewhere on the contact card page or near the contact's details. This icon is commonly known as the More or Options menu. Clicking on this will present you with various actions you can perform for this particular contact. Among the options presented to you, you will see Log a Call. Click on it and you're now in the section where you can input all the details of your call. This includes the call outcome, duration, and any important notes you want to remember for future reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully logged a call in HubSpot in just a few minutes. It's a simple but powerful way to keep track of your communications and streamline your customer interactions. Remember, keeping accurate records can help improve your workflow and ensure efficient follow-ups. Thanks for watching and happy logging.